Good morning, class. Now we discuss our next topic that the chapter is moving on. That is chapter 8. Next chapter, and name is comparing quantities. We were doing exercise 8.3, and in the last class we discussed example number 18. Now we discuss example number 19 here. So what is example number 19? Selling price of a toy car is rupees 540, and if the profit made by shopkeeper is 20%, what is the cost price of the toy? So here the selling price of the toy is given, that is rupees 540, and the profit that earned by the shopkeeper is given, that is 20%, and you have to find the cost price of the toy car. So here write out the information that is given in the question. Selling price of toy car is equals to rupees 540. Profit percent on is 20% profit is earned by the shopkeeper, and you have to find cost price of the toy car. You have to find the cost price of the toy car. So first, let the cost price of the toy car be rupees X. So what is the formula for profit percent? Profit percent is equals to profit upon CP, that is cost price, into 100, or it can be written as profit percent is equals to selling price minus cost price, that is how we find profit, upon cost price into 100. So now what is the profit percent? Now we put all the values here. Profit percent is 20, and SP is 540, and CP is X, upon CP is X into 100. Now when X goes to this side, we do here cross multiplication. X is multiplied by 20, and remaining are same as it is, 540 minus X into 100. Okay. Now first note down. Okay. For the next step, 20 into X and upon 100. When this 100 goes to this side, it becomes with divide sign. It comes with divide sign, and 540 minus X. Now when 20 is 100 is divided by 20, it gives 5 here. So X upon 5 is equals to 540 minus X, and when X comes to this side, X upon 5 plus X is equals to 540. So when you Take here, when you solve it, x by 5 plus x, 5 is the LCM, and here x, and here when 5 is divided by 1, we find here 5 as the quotient, and 5 when multiplied by x, it gives 5x equals to 540. So 6x equals to, and this 5 goes to that side and it will comes with multiplication sign, and x equals to 540 into 5 upon 6. So 6 9s are 54 and 0. So x equals to 90 into 5, that is 450. That is 450. So the final answer is the cost price of toy car is rupees 450. Rupees 450. The cost price of the toy car is rupees 450 here. Note it down. Now we will discuss the next example. Before that, we discuss the concept on which the example 20 is based on. So next topic is simple interest. Simple interest. Simple interest. Let's make it understand by an daily life example. Simple interest. It is the interest paid by any borrower to his or her landlord for borrowing any money from him. Okay, जैसे कोई भी borrower है, वो अपने लैंडलॉर्ड से कुछ पैसे, कुछ अमाउंट, कुछ दिन के लिए, समटाइम्स के लिए वो अपने पास बोरो करता है, ठीक है। तो उसके लिए कुछ परसेंटेज चार्ज उसको देना पड़ता है अपने लैंडलॉर्ड को। तो वो जो परसेंटेज चार्ज वो एक्स्ट्रा देता है अपने अमाउंट के, अपने प्रिंसिपल पे, ठीक है, जो पैसे वो लिया था उसके अलावा उसको जो एक्स्ट्रा मनी उसको देनी पड़ती है लैंडलॉर्ड को, वो कहलाता है सिंपल इंटरेस्ट। ओके, हियर सम टर्म्स आर, दैट इज प्रिंसिपल एंड इंटरेस्ट एंड अमाउंट। ओके, so first we know the term that is principal. Principal is nothing but the money which is borrowed by someone, is called sum, or is called sum. Borrowed or principal. And the next term is interest. What is interest? Interest is nothing but the money paid by the borrower to the landlord, extra money. एक्स्ट्रा मनी जो borrower landlord को पेड करेगा वही इंटरेस्ट होगा, और वो अप्लाई होता है प्रिंसिपल पे, ठीक है। for keeping the principal in bracket money, principal in bracket money for sometimes borrower has to pay some extra money to the maybe it will be bank or any landlord. Is known as interest. Is known as interest. Now note it down. First note it down. Now our next term is amount. What is amount? Amount is the money paid by borrower in the last of time period for which the money or principal is borrowed. So amount is always equals to principal and interest on principal. Principal and what is the interest applied on the principal? The sum of principal and interest is called amount. Now note it down. Okay class, now we will discuss our next example. First let me explain all the three terms with an example. Okay. Suppose there is a person Ram and he borrowed rupees 2,000 from any bank. Okay, and on which after 3 or 4 years, suppose it will be 3 years, for 3 years the money borrowed and he paid rupees 300 extra money, and at the end of 3 years he paid rupees 2,300 to the bank at all. Okay, so here in this example 2000 is principal principal, and this is interest. 300 is interest charged by the bank, and this is amount paid by the Ram to the bank for borrowing the 2000 rupees from the bank. मतलब राम 2000 रुपये बैंक से एज ए लोन बोरो करता है, तो उसको 300 रुपीज 3 साल के बाद 300 रुपीज उसको इंटरेस्ट देना पड़ता है। तो 3 साल के बाद वो टोटल बैंक को 2300 रुपीज पेड करता है। ओके, now we will discuss the next example, that is example number 20. So what is that? Example 20. Anita takes a loan of rupees 5000 at 5% per year as rate of interest. Find the interest she has to pay at the end of 1 year. अनीता है वो, now in this example Anita takes a loan of rupees 5000 का लोन ली है अनीता 50% ऑफ रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट के चार्ज पे फ्रॉम द बैंक फॉर 1 ईयर। 1 साल के लिए वो लोन ली है 5000 50% रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट से। ओके, नाउ how much he had to pay in the last of the 1 year. Okay, so example 20, the sum borrowed by Anita is rupees 5000 here, and what is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is 15%. So interest paid by Anita is 15% of rupees 5000. So 15% is 15 upon 100 into 5000. So this 20 is cancelled by this 20, and here 15 into 50. So here rupees 750. 750 rupees is the interest paid by Anita. So what it is asked? Yes, only interest is asked. And what is the amount he has to pay? Amount paid by Anita at the end of 1 year is equals to principal. Principal is present borrow. This is principal. This principal 5000 rupees is the principal, and this is rate of interest, and this is plus interest. We calculate interest as rupees 750. So 5000 plus 750 is equals to rupees 5750 rupees. So 5750 rupees has Anita has to pay to the bank after 1 year. Okay, so let me explain it. The sum borrowed by Anita is rupees 5000, that is the principal, and interest charged by the bank for borrowing the money is 15% per year, and interest paid by Anita as the duration for loaning is only 1 year, Okay, the interest paid by Anita is 15% of rupees 5,000. So here we calculate the interest is rupees 750, and what amount did Anita pay to the bank is principal plus interest. Principal is 5,000 and interest is 750. So 5,750 is the amount paid by Anita to the bank. Okay, so note it down. Okay, now note down your homework. Now what is the homework for you all is question number 6, 7, 8 of exercise 8.3. Okay class, it's all over for today. Thank you so much. Okay.